The last lesson in the targeting section is actually talking about the importance of campaign structure. And this may seem like a different topic, but it's extremely relevant to targeting because you need to set up your campaigns to truly test out all of the options you just did research for. So when we talk about campaign structure, here's kind of the way we look at it. The top level, the megaphone, is your campaign. The buckets underneath are your ad groups, and then underneath those are your ads. Now, I'm only showing 3 here to make this an easy image. Underneath each ad group, you're going to have multiple ads, so this is going to become a very big pyramid. The reason this structure is so important is because it allows you to do proper testing. So you are able to isolate variables that matter for better data. So when we talk about this at the campaign level, we want our campaigns to focus on a single objective. So when we say objective, we're really talking about the type of targeting that we want to use. Are we going to do keyword targeting, placement targeting, topics, affinities? We do not want them to mix. If you mix keywords, topics, and affinity audience, all the budget's going to go to affinity audience because it's easier for Google to spend that. If you want to go through and test out keyword targeting, you want to isolate it to give it a shot to really figure out what the data looks like. Also, we recommend splitting out by device. We've always had better luck figuring out the difference in our conversion rates between desktop and mobile, and therefore understanding our cost per clicks, how we can adjust things, and what's going to work for the funnel. So, highly recommend going through and splitting out by device. Once you've got your campaign set up, then you're going to come to your ad groups. And this is, if our objective is we want to test keyword targeting, for each ad group, we want to test one type of keyword. So we'll call them keyword clusters. So from our example, fish oil keywords is one keyword cluster. Omega-3 keywords is one keyword cluster. And the goal here is to go through and have them, so you say fish oil supplements, fish oil vitamins, and you've got ads written specifically for fish oil. When you go into omega-3, you're targeting those same keywords, and you've got ads specifically for omega-3. And the goal here is to go through and within your campaigns, you're allowing the budget to spread out between those different ad groups. You'll be able to figure out where the volume is. Is fish oil have more volume than omega-3? Is that where you should spend your time? So having that budget at the campaign level that pushes through the ad groups, you're still isolating, you're only focusing on keywords, which is super important, but it allows you to really spread between the ads. Now, the campaign structure that Justin has introduced that we commonly utilize is called the 5x3 campaign structure. What I want you to understand, so one campaign, 5 ad groups, 3 ads within each ad group. Now, when we talk about this, 5x3 is not what's actually important. You can have 6x2 or 10x4. The numbers aren't what matters. It's the fact that you're going through and you're giving yourself an opportunity to test them with a structure that makes sense. So once again, ad groups that focus on one objective. Is it a keyword cluster? Keywords, fish oil keywords, 3 ads underneath there to try and figure out which one's working best for the fish oil keywords. Having this type of breakdown makes a huge difference to ensuring you're getting clean data, you're going to get the results you care about, and you're able to allocate the full budget to the type of targeting that you care about. So in order to help you do this, we created a worksheet to go through and lay out your campaigns. So all you're going to do is take all of the targeting options you took in the last section. You're going to go through and lay them out. Here's the campaign we're going after. Here's the objective, and here's the device. Underneath that, I'm going to have this many ad groups. And then in the next section, we're going to talk about how you develop your ad copy. And that's where this becomes really important, is going through and building ads that pique curiosity and get people to click through. So right now, go through and fill out your campaign planner to go through and set up this account structure, and then we'll go from there.